Are you also having one of these BRITA water filter jugs? I think I found a really nice way to refill the cartridges that I want to share with you. So first of all, you have to find a cartridge that is easily opened. That was not the case with the original BRITA filters, but with some cheaper ones it was actually possible. So I just popped the lid with a screwdriver on the side, and then you're able to just refill it with this Nachfüllgranulat, which is just some granulate which you can buy off of Amazon or somewhere else, and which is already having the right components like activated charcoal and this sodium ion exchange salt. And then when you have the lid detached, you can just fill the granulate in there and then twist these little stainless steel wires to just close the lid again. So you just make some nice little holes on the side, twist the wire and then twist it again. And this is easy to open and close many times without breaking the wire or something. And yeah, when it is closed like this, you can put it in the jar. In this jar is already a filter installed and the wires are virtually invisible. So it just looks like a normal filter in there. But take a look. There's also the wires inside. So, just a handy trick and an easy way to extend the lifetime of your already existing filter cases, create less trash and have more filtered water for your money. So hope that helped and see you in the next one.